901 is inside the exclusive economic zone of the Philippines, sir.
Gentlemen, this is confirmed. CCG 5901 is inside the EEZ of the Philippines. Angels of the Sea Challenge, CCG 5901.
Hi, sir. China Coast Guard 5901. This is Philippine Coast Guard vessel BRP Cobra MRRV 4409 under Republic Act 12064, Philippine Maritime Zones Act, the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, and the 2016 Arbitral Award. You do not possess any legal authority to patrol within the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone. You are directed to depart immediately and to notify us of your intentions.
To China Coast Guard 5901. This is Philippine Coast Guard vessel BRP Cabra MRRV 4409. We are reminding you that you are within 58 nautical miles west of Tapones Point, Zambales, inside in the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. Please leave this area immediately. Over.